This Align Right Realty International property video is presented by Shauna 20 Calvert, 302 Latitude Place, 3 beds, 2 baths, 1,960 square feet, Meridian Floorplan by Westfield Homes, golf cart-friendly gated community, recently painted exterior plus patio refreshed this week. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,960 square feet end-unit villa is located in the gated Seacrest neighborhood within MiraBay. The exterior has been freshly painted, and the back patio is scheduled for a new coat this week. Built by Westfield Homes, the Meridian floor plan offers a functional split layout, trail views, and a spacious, open-concept living area with multiple flex spaces. The updated kitchen features quartz countertops, shaker-style cabinets, tile backsplash, and a seamless connection to the living and dining areas. The café-style breakfast space includes a bay window, while the adjacent laundry room offers built-in storage and a utility sink. A formal office with French doors and an additional front flex room provide options for a sitting room, dining space, or hobby area. Luxury vinyl plank flooring, crown molding, tray ceilings, and plantation shutters are featured throughout the main living spaces. The primary suite includes dual vanities, a soaking tub, walk-in shower, custom walk-in closet, and direct access to the screen in lanai. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath are located on the opposite side of the home for added privacy. Enjoy outdoor living from the covered front porch or screen lanai in the back. Seacrest HOA includes lawn care, irrigation, landscaping, pest control, exterior paint, and roof replacement. The roof was replaced in 2023. Residents enjoy full access to MiraBay's resort-style amenities, including a clubhouse, fitness center, beach entry pool, lap lanes, water slide, tennis and pickleball courts, basketball, playgrounds, kayak and paddleboard launch, walking trails, and a full-service marina.